want to feel 10 years younger? On the rebounder, it's called the fountain of youth for a reason. We're going to bounce, do about 10 to 12 steps, and I'm going to share some great benefits of why rebounding is called the fountain of youth. Let's go. Start with a health bounce, pushing down through the whole foot. Good posture, engage that core, relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Soften those knees. And bring your arms up and down. Yes, rebounding has been called the fountain of youth. It supports longevity. We're not just exercising, we're cleansing our body. We're renewing our body. We're boosting that lymphatic system. We're getting the heart rate up, and we're working on circulation. Good oxygen. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, march or walk. Use athletic arms. We're going to strengthen our muscles. Low impact. No pressure on the joints. We're improving our balance, getting the circulation going. Yes, boosting our energy today. Fighting fatigue. If you feel tired, get on this rebounder 2 to 10 minutes a day. Step touch. Yes, it's called the fountain of youth. Yes, it is. Helps the face slim and tone. Helps the texture of your skin because it massages those organs. And not only that, sharpens your mind. That's why it's important to, if you have children or grandchildren, to get a rebounder. It will help them with their homework, getting better grades. Come on. And the fountain of youth for us older women, men of a particular age. Yes, strengthens our immune system, fights off infection, heals. Good. Yeah. All right. Shift side to side. You can just kind of move the heels left and right, or you can keep them stable and just push down left and right. If you have a stability bar and you need to use it, by all means, hold on to it for balance purposes. You'll get to a point where you won't have to use the bar. All right, now we're going to do knees up. We're fighting fatigue. We're boosting our energy today, getting those happy endorphins. And the glow in our skin. If you want to bounce, you can. You don't have to. You can keep it low impact just by doing this. All right, now we're going to step up and back. Do about 8 of those and switch to the other leg. Lead with your other leg. Now we're going to go out and in. Out, out, in, in. Switch the other leg. All right, slow it down. One last song. All right, so those were all beginner friendly, easy steps. Now, if you want and you're ready, we can pick it up just a little bit. Hamstring kickback. Yep, and there you have it. Some fairly easy steps and just a basic bounce. Barely lifting off the mat. Pretty easy. And there you have it. And that's it for today. Don't forget to stay hydrated. And we will see you next time.